Welcome back everyone to another video. This time we talk about how to decrease shutter speed on iPhone. Well, you might as well just open up the camera on your iPhone, go to the video, and you look for all of the controls, which you notice that there aren't that many, like you can change the flash and stuff like that, but you don't really have that much control. For that, you're gonna need to get some sort of different camera app, and there are plenty of them, right? Let's be real. You don't really know which one to get. And there are, for example, like pro camera apps, which you might want to try out. And you can see that there are apps with like more control. So if you're happy with these, like apps and that you need to purchase them or get some sort of app, then, you're likely going to need to get one, right? So Pro Cam or these options will let you change the shutter speed on a recording video. But my personal opinion is that Final Cut Camera, which is from Apple, is one of the best options for this or even any other professional video recording on the phone. As you can see, it is from Apple, so it's not going to have any in-app purchases. It's not going to require you to subscribe and pay monthly or anything, and it's going to be optimized the best for the iPhone camera. So make sure to get this, right? You're going to open up the app, and essentially this is a professional camera application which you can use on your iPhone. You can swipe up and essentially just play around with these options, choose between the cameras, and you can adjust the automatic exposure, zoom, and everything. And there are plenty of different settings. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to be happy about that, right? So yeah, we have the options in here and whatever. And obviously, since we want to talk about the shutter speed, what you're going to do is just to click on this button right here, which is changing the exposure, and you're going to switch it from automatic to manual, which is going to give you the option for shutter speed, which can be automatically changed and adjusted for your video alongside with the ISO. So you might as well just bump up the brightness of the shot, right? So that's how you can change it. And you can now just press record and record all of the videos, which are then going to be saved in here in the photos section of the app, and then you can export them and do whatever you want. But I would recommend you to just use this approach, which I think is the best option. So I hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.